G'day. On the table I've got a Samsung Galaxy S20 and I'm going to be replacing the front facing camera. I've already salvaged one out of another S20. So they are removable, but they do have adhesive across the bottom and the side. So hopefully I can successfully, let me get the main board out. Hopefully I can successfully remove it out of this one too. So I've just got it on my blue heat pad here at 75 degrees Celsius. I've got a very thin pair of tweezers. I should be able to push the adhesive out from there. Nope, they're not the ones I'm after. These ones are a bit too big. Bingo. There is my baby ones. So from here, I'm going to turn it and get a better angle for myself. And pushing that along and lift it up. As you can see, we have one removed camera. So that even distribution of heat does help it. And I'm stuck in there. Now from here, I should just be able to simply grab the other one, line it up, push it in. We'll have a bit of wrap movement to it. So what I'm going to do there is put some pressure on it, drop some frame adhesive on there, and put it back together. Push that back up for the reassembly. So I don't really reckon there's much need to be afraid of removing that. It is pretty straightforward to get to. There's plenty of space around it. And there's not much chance you're going to damage too much if you go wrong, unless you put it directly through the screen, which would definitely suck. Oop, and as I say that, lift it up slightly just by putting pressure on it. Make sure we're still clean down here. Yep. So maybe I should have reassembled it and then put the glue. Anyway, I'm going to put this back together from here. I hope this helps. People know that you could replace that front-facing camera if you need be. As you see, just lifted that up. So I'm going to leave that out until the end. Push that into place. Now they did use hot glue as opposed to soft glue. So I might go down that pathway myself. That's clicked back in just right. Flip it over. It seemed to be relatively centered anyway. Probably can't quite see it on the footage. But I'm going to turn my heat pad off and just proceed to reassemble this. So that's just a quick informative video to let you know you can actually replace that front-facing camera. Bye.